The universe, as we know it, works by cause and effect. That is, everything that happens was caused by something else. This means that the cosmological argument suggests there must have been a first cause that ultimately resulted in the creation of the universe, and some people believe that this first cause was God. An event happening now was caused by an event that happened earlier, which in turn was caused by an event earlier in time and so on, back through time. This theory would mean that there are two possibilities for the beginning of the universe. Either the chain goes back forever, i.e., the universe has always existed and so it is eternal, or you will eventually go back far enough to reach a starting point, a first cause or an uncaused cause. Some people argue that the first cause in the creation of the universe must have been God. Not everyone accepts this cosmological argument, and a question often asked is, why doesn't the first cause need a cause if everything else does? This would mean that the existence of a God doesn't agree with the idea that everything is caused by something else. If people accept that God just exists, then the question is, why then doesn't the universe just exist? Other non-believers say that simply because a first cause exists, it doesn't necessarily mean it is a God. The Big Bang theory is another alternative first cause. According to this particular scientific theory, space and matter started with the Big Bang, which was an explosion of matter and energy, with the matter eventually forming stars, planets and everything else. If this theory is true, then the question of what caused the Big Bang is meaningless, as time only started with the Big Bang. This theory is often used to argue that there is no divine being. However, many religious people believe that the Big Bang theory and the story of creation can both be true, as God could be responsible for the Big Bang, and he may have used it, along with evolution, to create the universe as we know it. This is such an acceptable religious truth that in 1996 the Roman Catholic Church officially accepted the Big Bang theory, a move that was seen as a significant acceptance of scientific theory by the Church.